Good morning, everyone. This morning's message is for who it is for. Now, on your screen, it reads two roads before you. Pick your choice. Now, I'm pretty sure whilst growing up, each and every one of us would have heard that term at some point in time in our lives. Two roads before you. Pick your choice. When our parents, our guardians, our persons set above us would have made mention of two roads before you, pick your choice, they're usually stating do the right thing or the wrong thing. So if you have not yet grasped the concept of what they are saying, let me enlighten you a bit. So this morning's message, I'm taking it to a different level. So the two roads before you, they're speaking about the road that leads you to heaven, doing the right thing, or the road that leads you to hell, doing the wrong thing. But the thing is this, my friends, this is where it becomes challenging and difficult for most of us. You see, the road to heaven often feels like hell because it's a journey of growth, sacrifice, and self-discovery. We are forced to confront our deepest fears, our inner demons, and our biggest weaknesses. We are asked to let go of things that weighs us down. We are asked to forgive who have hurt us and to surrender to a higher power. It can be painful, uncomfortable, and overwhelming sometimes. But it is through this process that we are able to shed our old selves and emerge better, stronger, and more compassionate individuals. But on the other hand, the road to hell often feels like heaven because the road to hell is filled with temptations, instant gratification, and worldly pleasures. It promises us wealth, it promises power and success without the need for hard work or self-reflection. It succeeds us with material possessions, superficial relationships, and the illusion of control. It can be alluring, it can be exciting and easy, but it is through this path that we often lose sight of our true purpose and become so consumed by our desires and eventually find ourselves empty and unfulfilled. So ultimately, the road to heaven and the road to hell are not physical places, so to speak, but rather symbolic representations of the choices we make in our lives. The road to heaven requires us to confront our fears, embrace discomfort, and commit to a journey of self-improvement and spiritual awakening. It's a path that challenges us to live with integrity, kindness, and love. The road to hell, on the other hand, tempts us with instant gratification, selfish desires, and the pursuit of worldly pleasures. It's a path that often leads to emptiness, loneliness, and regrets. So, in closing, my friends, in the end of it all, both roads offer us valuable lessons and opportunities of growth. They remind us that true happiness and fulfillment cannot be found in material possessions or temporary pleasures, but more so in the connections we build, the love we share, and the impact we have on others. So it's up to each of us this morning, my friends, to choose which path we will follow and to remember that the road to heaven may feel like hell at times, but trust and believe the destination is worth every step. Yeah, man. A word to the wise.